Hi everyone, from Market Minutes today we're going to look at LULU stock. Been kind of following this one for a while. I yeah, we'll look at the financials first, and then I'll say whether I feel about it. But okay, they have about $1 billion in cash, which is a very strong cash position. It's probably why they're doing repurchases of their stock. They're doing buybacks. Receivable inventories, PP&E, all that stuff. I really want to see is how much debt. Non-current negligible. Some lease liabilities, but a negligible amount of debt. So extremely strong balance sheet. Let's look at their net revenue. So from last year, the revenue is up, so it is still growing. But it's only up by about 150K. But their cost of revenue was also up by 150K. So that is a not improving gross margin. And you can see that right here. Gross margin only went up by about 20,000. So not really a meaningful amount of growth there. And meanwhile, look at this, the G&A went up, and that means that their income from operations actually has gone down. So they have become less efficient over the past year. So that's not great. And then you got their net income, which is also down. Okay. That is interesting because you have analysts want to hold the PE ratio is not. So yeah, now if we're looking at valuation metrics, it's not terrible. Wow, look at Nike. Holy cow, it's still. And Nike's been getting wrecked, and they still have a very high P ratio. But Lulu's P ratio isn't terrible. It's not great either. Look, they got lowered price targets. The stock is struggling. Excuse me, down 50% in a year about. So yeah, it's kind of having a tough time. What are these guys saying? Leadership uncertainty. Okay, so cut target to 170. We need to hold. So there must be some sort of leadership change up. Oh, it has earnings tomorrow. Look at that. Look at the timing on that. I would not play this for earnings. Definitely would not do that. And I also think that there are probably better stocks to buy out there than this one. I don't think this is a terrible buy, but I think you can do better out there. So that's my thoughts on